صوم 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 بشهر رمضان صوم 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 صوم
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Today conversation 22 casharkeena maanta waxaa ku saabsan conversation 22 oo wadasheekeysiga
فقرة سكذا سيا سقف دحل الكيتوس.
I'm very cheerful to make your conversation realize what you have. I'm very cheerful waxaan aad ugu faraxsanay to make your conversation inaan wadasheekeysi sameyno. qofkii kale wuxuu realize garowso what you have waxaad hayso. Realize what you have. It's no count how many students I beat the death. He who brushes himself is like gold sacred by itself. It's no count ramala habini how many students intan arday I beat the dust read the chili. Tramal intan arday read the chili. It's no count how many students I beat the dust. He who brushes which are key mahdiya himself naftis is like gold was the recycled by itself nafti the note. In this fun where is chocolate. He who brushes himself is like goat sacred by itself. By itself. Don't spare any power on me. Shout or do not shout. Today you are in my hand. Don't spare haskakan any power waxagood on me aniga. Shout qeyl or do not shout ama haqayn. Today maanta you are in my hand. Waxaad ku jirtaa gacantayda. Do not spare any power on me. Shout or do not shout. Today you are in my hand. Shout qeyl or do not shout ama qeylin. Today maanta you are in my hand. Gacantaad ku jirta.
Somali Online Academy. Somali Online Academy.